Picking up where we left off in the last video, and since that's going to be a notification, I'm going to put a Pragma area in for that. And I'll scroll up so we can see what we're typing. And what we receive here is an NS notification. And I'll call it a notification. The first thing we'll want to do when the notification comes in, we'll want to extract the string from our text view and check its size. And we do that by setting a variable. Call it size. It's going to be of type integer. And we'll say tweet text. Give us your string. And then when we get that back, we're going to get its length. And that will tell us how many characters are in the text view. Now that we have this information, we'll update our display text string in our user interface so that our user can see how many text characters they've typed. We need to create a string with format. And here we'll put total characters and then the character number. We'll use the %d specifier for an integer. And here we'll pass in size as the replacement value. And then we're going to need to tell our display text to set its string value to our display string. Let's go over what we've done here. Let's go back up to our wake from nib method. When our application first launches, we're going to talk to the NS Notification Center, and we're going to add ourselves in as observer for the NS Text Did Change notification. Whenever the text changes inside the text view will send this notification to the Notification Center. When the Notification Center receives it, it will dispatch that notification to any object that has set itself up as an observer. And it'll send that notification to the selector that we've set up to receive it. And in our case, that's tweet text changed. And then after that, to be good citizens, we have removed ourselves as an observer so that the Notification Center doesn't continue trying to send a notification to an application that's not active. Then we create our method to receive the notification. When the notification comes back, this method will be executed. We go to the tweet text NS text view and we execute the method string, which will bring back all of the text. And then once we have that text, which that'll be an NS string, then we'll send the length message to it, and that will return an integer, and we place that into the variable size. Then we create a new string called display string using string with format. We pass in the size that we just retrieved back from the text view, and then we tell our display text to set its string value to our new display string. And I just noticed in our dealloc method that we forgot a step. We need to put in a call to super and have it execute its dealloc method. This ensures that our parent class cleans up everything it needs to when our application quits. So now we can build and run. It looks like everything worked well. When I begin to type, look at the word login successful, and you'll see that it starts changing as the characters start being added to the text view. When I remove characters from the text view, the number decreases. So this will keep track for the user and let them know how many characters they have. In our next video, we'll change the behavior of the total characters text so that when the user exceeds 140 characters, we'll turn it yellow and bold. And I think this will get their attention.